Welcome everyone in today's grammar parade. Today we are going to see third topic, that is letter writing. How to write letter, which are the types of letter that we are going to see in this lesson. Letters are of two types, informal letters and formal letters. There are two types of letters. First one, it is informal letters, and second, formal letters. How to write formal letters already we have seen in English textbook in lesson number 16 and 17. We have learned how to write formal letter, but in this lesson both informal letter and formal letter, how to write it, we are going to learn today. First we'll see how to write informal letters. Informal letters are written to friends and family. For your friends and family members, maybe your aunt, uncle, grandmother, grandfather, for them you are writing letter that is called informal letters. The language used is friendly and easy. Is for the informal letter, language is used that is friendly and easy language is used. Here is the format to use when writing an informal letter. While writing informal letter, which format is used, that is given below. We are going to learn that. How to write informal letter, or what is the format of the informal letter, that we'll see. First you have to write in the upper left side your address. For example, here it is given, see, 12 Park Street, Kolkata, and front number is given, maybe pin code or something number related to that Kolkata is given. Below your address you have to write date. Here which date is given, instead of that today's date also you can write. Below date you have to write salutation. Salutation means what? It is a word used at the beginning of a letter, that is called Dear Sandy. Now your friend name you can write Dear Sachin, Dear Mohan. Here Dear Sandy it is used, that is called salutation. At the beginning of the letter we use salutation, that is Dear Sandy. After salutation there will be main body, and in that main body 3 short paragraphs should be there. Main body, in that what will come, body of the letter begins from here, means what is the main subject or matter of that letter, that you have to begin here, and simple short sentence are used. Mean the main body means where you write letter after salutation, there simple short sentence are used. After main body what is there? Complimentary clause. Here complimentary clause, what is used? Yours lovingly. Complimentary means what? Expressing a compliment, means little bit respect or praise we express with the help of which word? Yours lovingly. And below complimentary clause what will come? Name. Who is writing letter, that person name. If you are writing name letter, your name will come below yours lovingly. In this way you have to write informal letter. On page number 104, one question is given. What is that? See, write a letter to your grandfather telling him how you have rescued a little puppy and helped it to get back to its mother. Means you have to write letter to your grandfather. What you have to tell, that how you have rescued, means saved life of little puppy. Puppy means young one of dog, small baby or dog. For that how you have saved and how you helped him to get back to its mother, that you have tried through letter. On given topic, how to write informal letter, we see. First you have to write address, that is 32, MG Road, Kolkata, and that number front, that you have to write. After address you have to write date. Here is given that date, instead of that you can write here which today date is that you can write. Below date you have to write salutation, that is Dear Grandpa. You are writing letter to grandfather, so Dear Grandpa you should write. Below that you should start the main body of the letter. Today while returning from school I came across a little puppy. It looked lost, means dying, so I picked it up and took it to the rescue center nearby. This boy, his name is Nikhil, is telling to his grandfather through this letter, what? Today while returning from school, what? I came across to a little puppy and he was going to die. And what I done? I picked it up and I took it to rescue center nearby. Nearby there was a rescue center, means maybe the hospital, animal hospital or something. It was there he took. Coincidentally, its mother along with the owner came looking for it that moment. Means coincidentally what happened, that the mother of that puppy, it came with her owner to see that puppy at that moment only. Now second paragraph, I am so happy that the puppy get back to its mother. What an eventful day. Eventful day means what? Eventful means what? Important. This was important day that I have done some good thing, like this Nikhil is telling to his grandfather. And third paragraph, it is of one sentence. What is that? Please write to me soon, means give something reply to me, like this Nikhil is telling to his grandfather. Now lastly, complimentary clause, what he has used? Yours lovingly, and below that he has wrote his name, Nikhil. In this way you have tried informal letter. While writing letter, keep in mind you should not leave line in middle anywhere. Next, on page number 105, one subject is given for informal letter, that is write a letter to your cousin telling him about a book that you have recently read and liked very much. Means cousin, sister, brother, for them you have to write a letter telling what? About the book you have read. Recently you have read and you like it very much. About that you have to write letter. Now on page number 104, how the letter, informal letter, I have explained you how to write. In that way you have to write your own this letter. You can take this only address which I have given on page number 104. With the help of that you can write this letter. This is today's homework. Thank you.